Hey guys, it's Thomas from TBTVEE. I put this video together today because I want to help all of you guys that are social distancing pass the time. Today we're going to be making a favorite, burgers and fries. But first we have to wash our hands. So this is what you gotta do. Since I have a family of 4, I have 4 potatoes. I'm gonna pour 2 teaspoons of olive oil on it and mix them. Just gotta spread it around, not just in one simple place. And then mix them. Now that you have all of the olive oil, spread it all amongst your potatoes. Now feel free to use whatever type of mixture of flavors to use. So for instance, I use some oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, and pepper. And now spread them all around. Don't put them in all one place, because then you can't mix them that well. Now that I've mixed all the spices together, now I'm going to lay them all flat, put them in the oven at 425 and until they're crispy and delicious. For instance, I'm putting it on the top, but you can put it on any place that you want. And then you put it in the oven. Now I'm going to cook them for 35 or 45 minutes or until they're brown, crispy, and delicious. While the potatoes are cooking, guys, we're going to be making our burgers. I have 1.5 pounds of meat, a salt and pepper mixture, and liquid smoke. Alright guys, now I'm going to put all my ingredients into the meat and then mix them up by hand. So first I'm going to get my salt and pepper. All the exact ingredients will be shown at the end. Now we're going to pour that in. Now we're going to get our liquid smoke mixture, pour that in, and now we're going to mix it. Okay guys, now that I've mixed all the ingredients into the burger and into the meat, now we're going to make it form it into burgers. So we'll take this out, we make it into a log. We want to make it into a log, that way we get it even. But don't make it a log where it has like it has to have like a flat end to it. Okay, now that I've done that, now we cut it into fourths. Now how do we do that? We cut it in half, and then we cut those halves into half. So let's do that. And here's all your patties. Alright guys, so now that I've portioned out my burgers, now I'm going to make them into balls and then flatten them. Alright, so I have one, flatten it down, that's a burger. Take the next one, make it into a ball, flatten it down, that's a burger. Okay guys, so now that we got our patties formed, there's 2 things you can do. 1, you can get buns that you have, or 2, if you don't have any buns like I don't, we can just use regular bread and toast it. So let's toast some bread. Alright, For instance, this toaster, for the amount of bread that we use, since we're going to be having 4 people, there's going to be 8 pieces, and this thing can only toast 2 people at two people's bread at a person's bread at a time. So we're just gonna wait for it. Okay, guys, before we put the burgers in, we have to check on our fries. They're looking good. Just a couple more minutes, I think. So guys, I'm going to be cooking my burgers from 3 to 4 minutes on each side. But depending on how you like your burgers cooked, you do it at any time you want. Okay guys, our fries are done. They smell and they look delicious. Those are what they should look like when they're done. Okay guys, now I'm gonna plate these burgers. Okay guys, the last thing to do is just put the fries on the plate and then you're all done. And now you're all done. Bon appetit!